Hello guys, welcome to our today's video. This is the Tech Checkmate. So today I want us to dive into the Excel chat. So I want to take you through the first step of passing through the Excel chat verification process. I know many have tried to open this account. You pass step 1, step 2, then mentoring session becomes difficult for you. So I'm going to upload a series of video starting from step 1, which is policies and procedures, step 2, which is subject assessment, where you'll be showing your skills through the Q&A questions. That's step 2. Then step 3, that's mentoring session. Mentoring sessions where many of us fail to pass the mentoring session. So this video is about the step 1 and how you can pass all the 15 questions. So welcome to my video. So now after you have finished the onboarding process, so here is where we go. We are going to start now our session. So this is the step 1, which is policies and procedures, and it usually takes 15 to 20 minutes. And so those are just QA question that you can answer quickly. So today I'm going to show you on how you can pass this QA and QE question. So I'm going to show you how you're going to pass this question. So here we're going to start now our step 1. Are going to start. So we are starting our step 1. So what do you need to pass this procedure? So what you need is just simple things you need. The first thing you need is what we call Copilot. So this is the onboarding process of Excel policies and procedure. So also you wait for it to finish before you can continue with it. So this is just the policies and procedures. So you continue with the video and ensure it's complete before you can continue to another step. So as I was telling you, like, what do you need? The first tool you need is what we call the Copilot. Because here you don't have to struggle answering these questions, but if you know, it's also cool. If you know all these questions, can answer them, then that's well and good. But I don't think there's any way or any good of wasting much time or spending here when you have the AI. So for me, basically I'm going to use AI, and the first tool we're going to use is this one. We call it Copilot. So we will use Copilot, and for you to ensure that you are sure enough about the answers, you need this Copilot. This is the Copilot from Microsoft and ChatGPT. So we'll be combining the two tools together to ensure that our answers are very correct. So we'll be using these tools to continue. So we are going to continue. So I know you can watch the whole video, so I'm going to skip this step because it's just about the video. So I skipped the other part because it's just watching video, the onboarding process and the policies. So here's the real thing. We are going to continue with the Excel chat policies and procedures. So the video you have already watched it, so let's just continue. And now the counting starts. So here you don't have to worry about this, and you have ChatGPT, and you have all AI tools that you can use them to answer your question. So as I advised here, you have to use the combination of two AI. So you have to use Copilot and ChatGPT to confirm if your answers are both true. So what you're going to do is just highlight the questions, then you copy. Don't use control and paste. Just highlight, copy, paste. And one thing I've learned about these questions that they are the same. So if you are watching this video, you can keep this video, share it or download it so that at the moment we'll be doing the exam, you can note down the answers because you'll find some of these questions are just the same. So I've done a lot of these questions because I've been having I've been creating many Excelchat accounts. So I've done a lot of these questions. So what you just have to do is you highlight, you copy and you paste on AI, and AI will give you the best answers for this. That's not the answer. So I'm going just to select to copy. I don't have even to read these questions because it will be a waste of time to read this question. What I do is just to paste, copy, paste, and find a correct answer. So the correct answer is the last one. So like this, you just have to copy and then you paste on AI. Don't worry, I know you are not seeing where I'm pasting, but it's because I have extended my screen. That's why you see I'm just copying, but you don't know where I'm posting. So I'm pasting on another screen. So that's why I know you're seeing like that. There's no need of wasting time answering this question, which I know you know. But it's good also to follow them and see what they are telling you. So this is the correct question answer. You are running out of time to complete the solution and decide to ask the user for this content. This is not advised. So kindly you have also to check, and that's why I advise you have to have two chat GPT. So on an extended screen, I'm having two GPTs, and that is a Copilot and ChatGPT. So I'm having Copilot and ChatGPT. So you just have to copy this and paste it on your AI. So these are the correct answers, and these are the answers you're going to get or use. You see, these are the answers you can use them because they are just the same. Some of these answers they repeat themselves for everyone. They repeat themselves. There's only like 40%, 30%, or 20% that are changed, but they're just the same, all of them. So you just have to copy that. So you can use this video also to get some answers for your question. You can just place it somewhere on your phone, watch it while answering your question. So I will post all the three steps. This is the first one. I record the second step also, and the last step on how you can pass those questions that are being posted by the mentor. So you just have to copy and paste it. So you just have to copy and paste it. No wasting time. It doesn't require you to be genius in Excelchat to pass this thing. All you have to know is follow the commands and the guidelines and procedures of Excelchat while tackling a question from a client. Make sure you involve the client while solving the problem. So you be engaged. You engage the client. So here is greeting, diagnosis, explanation, confirmation, then closing. So you start by greeting, you diagnose the question, you give a solution, then you explain the solution. You ask the client if the solution is what he or she was expecting, or if the solution is addressing the question. Then if he or she confirm that the solution is working, then you close up. You can tell him or her that he can add a review to you, so that you get a good review and continue getting to bidding more, because if you have high number of rating, that's how you get more bids. So about to get done. So this question repeat themselves, so you can even use this video to pass step 1. So this is step 1, and you see will be done in less than even the given 15 minutes will be done. So the GOAT utilizes a combination of a human editor and artificial intelligence to evaluate experts. That's why I created this video, because all I know, so the Excelchat is not going again to start hiring, because I know they are going to incorporate AI. So those experts, what they will have to know is to confirm if the solution given by the AI is correct or wrong. So the expert, that will be the work of experts. So you see, congrats, we have finished it and we have nailed it. So we are done with step 1. So we are done with step 1. So check on video about step 2, which I'll be uploading. So you're going again to step 2, then I'll upload a video also for step 3. So thank you for watching, and just follow the steps that I've given you. You use both Copilot and ChatGPT on this. So thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, kindly subscribe, because I'm going to upload many videos and tutorial on how you can pass most of the accounts. So thank you, and have a wonderful day.